How can you turn down the iPhone microphone volume? Let me show you some things you need to know about it. Let's get started. If you're new here, most definitely subscribe so you don't miss tutorials and videos like this. So the microphone has its own dedicated settings in the settings app, privacy and security, and there's the microphone selection, but there you only decide which application can access it and which one is not allowed to. But in order to turn down the volume, it all comes down to how loud you speak into the microphone. For example, when you go to the voice recordings, you can see measured by the wavelengths of the audio, and you'll see how loud it actually gets. So yeah, that's kind of how it works. The microphone just captures the sound at a constant rate. It's just up to you to decide how loud it's going to be. However, if you, for example, capture a video or an audio file and you want to turn it down the volume of that thing, you can use some sort of app for it. For example, I like to use CapCut, where I can import my audios as well as videos and literally click the volume button and then dial it down a bit lower. So you can see that I can make it go lower, turn down the volume, which was captured through the microphone of the iPhone, right? But at the end of the day, it mostly comes down to how loud you speak, or, how much sound you let into the microphone. So that is kind of how it works. You need to find the balance in between this, like between recording properly and editing in post-production. So let me know in case you have some additional questions or something that you want to talk about, or something that you didn't get answered, right? Let me know about that. Thanks a lot for watching, and I'll talk to you later in the upcoming tutorials as well.